Hey guys, how's it going? Today it's your boy LetsGoBJones, and today I got another amazing video for you guys. Today we're gonna be unboxing another brand. This brand is called Taste by RUDYINDAHOUSE. As you can see right here, I did the photo shoot for this brand and they sent me some clothes. So right now we're gonna unbox some of it for you guys. So let's get it. It's a big box. All right, let's check this out, you guys. Here's one box. It says, we just added Taste. Taste Official, the Taste Korea. So there's a bunch of boxes in here, so let's open the first one. 3, 2, 1. As you see, you open the box, it's nicely wrapped. And nice box. And we got this t-shirt. As you can see, it's got Taste on the front of it. And on the back, boom, we got the Nike. I think these are Jordans, I don't know. I'm not really good with shoes, but it looks pretty fresh. And as you can see, it's got a nice little tape thing, nice logo. The quality seems very nice.
I like the boxing.
You like the what, the boxing?
Yeah, because they didn't use plastic bags.
And this is recyclable. And we can actually use this for other things. You can actually give this as a gift to somebody.
Yeah.
So, next one. Oh, it says Taste. I don't know, what color do you think this is? Black?
Yay.
You guessed it right. What do we got here? Black. And this is another one.
Yeah.
Okay. Taste, just add. We got another black one. Taste, looks fresh. Same backing as the previous one. Let's check the next one out. So on this box, it actually tells you what it is. Okay, as you guys can see, this has a donut on it. You can see the nice donut right there. It has a patch that says, just added Taste. And there's nothing on the back for this one. Oh, it says something. I call dibs on this Taste. 3, 2, 1.
That looks like pink.
Red. Just Taste Crew, just added Taste. What do you guys think of this one? It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I like it. It has the nice little logo. There we go. I like it. Taste Crew just added.
It's simple.
Okay. I like it. Last one. What color?
Black.
Blue. Here we go. Taste, we added Taste to what we wear. I like it though. We got different colors. I don't have any blue clothes. Blue's my favorite color. But overall, I think the clothes is pretty nice, you guys. I'm gonna post some of the pictures up of me wearing this clothes. And yeah, that was a quick unboxing. We got blue, we got red. All right, you guys, so we just unboxed all the clothes from RUDYINDAHOUSE, Taste by Taste, yeah. So we got blue, we got red, we got black, we got black again, and we got the cream. Anyways, you guys, if you guys like these type of videos, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave in the comments below what kind of videos you guys want to see next. And like always, you guys, fighting.